Hello everyone, today I'm excited to show you our newly produced large diameter stainless steel pipe. Beveling is the process of creating an inclined surface on the end of a stainless steel pipe. This is usually done in preparation for welding to ensure the weld joint is stronger and more efficient. We use a 45 groove here. Next, let's measure the thickness and diameter of the steel pipe. Here I use a caliper to take precise measurements. As you can see, the thickness is exactly 10 millimeters, meeting our stringent quality standards. This is the diameter of the steel pipe we measured with the caliper. You can see that the diameter of this pipe is 409 millimeters, ensuring that it is fully suitable for its intended use. This is our pickling workshop. The final steel pipes produced will go through the pickling workshop for pickling and passivation. This step improves the corrosion resistance of stainless steel pipes and extends their service life. Thank you for watching. Please contact us by email, calling, WeChat, or WhatsApp if you have any question about steel pipe. We're here to provide you with the best solutions for your projects.